What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Jay, and today I'm returning with another banger, and I have a special guest with me, my beautiful wife Rose of Island Vibe Cooking.
We're back, baby.
In the building. You guys went crazy in the comments on the last video. You guys love having her here.
Yes.
So, I mean, you ask, you shall receive. We're back with another amazing recipe for you all to enjoy. What are we making today?
Today, we're making this delicious honey garlic chicken bites.
That sounds real good.
It's gonna be so good. Get ready for it.
Definitely. Let's not waste any time and let's go ahead and get right on into the recipe.
Let's go.
Let's go. All right, to begin, we're gonna be working with 3 boneless and skinless chicken breasts. We're gonna go ahead and slice these into some bite-sized pieces, just like so. Nice and easy. Bada boom,
Now,
bada
these
boom.
are already pat dry. Make sure you pat dry your chicken before you start cutting them.
Yeah, you want to get a nice, beautiful sear on these bad boys, and you won't get that with some wet chicken. I'll tell you that right now. So you do definitely want to make sure you are patted dry, like Rose says. And I love me some chicken bites. It's just something about it. I feel like you just get so much more flavor into the chicken when they're bite-sized pieces. I don't know why.
And they're easy to make too.
Yeah, absolutely.
Takes no time.
The kids love it also as well.
They do.
That's like their favorite little meal. You serve this with some rice and some
broccoli.
Yeah,
maybe.
some broccoli. Oh my goodness.
You know, you put that sauce all over the broccoli.
Yep, the kids love it.
You can also use chicken thighs as well. So
yeah, chicken thighs. I tend to normally use chicken thighs, but I know some people like chicken breast because it's more lean, less fat, you know, but you know, both will be just as good, just as delicious. So now that I have these all sliced up, we're gonna hit it with a little bit of oil. You wanna do the honors, Rose?
all right, let's drizzle some olive oil.
All right.
Let's rub that in.
Give it a nice massage as I always do. You know how we rock. Do you want to season it up for me?
Sure, you can go ahead. I'll sprinkle it. What's in here?
Onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, paprika, and a little bit of Italian seasoning.
Italian seasoning is a must.
Yeah, it gives
Adds
that
herby
little
flavor.
Exactly.
Has thyme, basil, a lot of good stuff in there.
There you go. And we went a little light on the salt. Just because our sauce has soy sauce in it, we don't want it to be overly salty. And in fact, I'm using low sodium soy sauce just to be on the safe side because, I don't know, you never want your food to be too salty, guys.
That way you can't go back.
Exactly.
It's better to be able to add salt than not able to.
You can't take it away. All right,
That
so these
good.
are well seasoned up and ready to go.
Perfect.
All right, guys, I have my pan to about a medium high. We're gonna drizzle a little bit of oil into the pan, just like so. And we're gonna drop our
chicken right in, okay?
Yep, our well seasoned up chicken, baby. Go ahead and drop that into the pan, get it sizzling. There we go, there we go.
We want every piece of that chicken to touch the bottom of the pan so they can have a nice, beautiful color.
Absolutely.
Don't overcrowd your skillet, okay? Perfect.
Sounds good, yes ma'am. So you're gonna let it do its thing. You want a nice, beautiful sear, some nice, beautiful color. You don't wanna mess with it. Just let it sit on that one side for about, let's say 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
Yeah, 3 minutes per side. We're gonna let it chill, let it do its thing, and we'll be back shortly.
So we can flip it over.
Absolutely.
It smells so good. It's time to flip the chicken over. They've been cooking. Ooh, that smells good.
I already know. Woo!
Look at that beautiful golden brown color.
Absolutely, it's looking so good.
Oh yeah.
Oh wow,
Oh, yeah.
You got some nice color on there.
Oh yeah, especially using a non-stick pan is perfect for these type of dishes because
it's
not
gonna stick. You're gonna get that beautiful, beautiful crust on there. Or you can use a cast iron. I also like to use cast iron as well.
Too. Get a nice sear on it.
That's the only problem with stainless steel. Sometimes it gets a little tricky. Sometimes it wants to stick to that pan. So either cast iron or non-stick to get a nice, beautiful crust.
Yeah. Flip it over and we're gonna let it go for another 3 minutes.
Sounds good.
Looks good.
Looks good. Oh my.
Beautiful.
Mm-hmm. Should have brought the tongs out.
I thought this was going to be easier, but it works.
Go. Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Looks really good. I can't wait for this one to finish.
Alrighty.
All right, see you back in about 3 minutes, baby. Our chicken is looking good, smelling good. It is time to remove it from the heat.
That looks so saucy.
I know, right? I'm letting you know right now. So we're gonna take this off the heat and then we're gonna work on that delicious sauce, baby. But man, these are looking good enough to just snack on. Just like right here,
I wanna
right
take a
now.
bite right now. I'm telling you, I'm not even lying.
For real though.
I'm looking for a small piece so I can take a bite. It looks so good. But wait till you add that sauce.
That sauce is gonna
so
take
good.
it to the next level.
Oh yeah.
For sure. All right, that's
Here you go.
looking
This
good.
is the little piece that I was
Show them that chicken.
10 out of 10. Oh
Looking good. All right, guys, time to work on that sauce. I reduced the heat to about a medium, and we're gonna drop in about 2 tablespoons of
Unsalted.
some unsalted butter. Go ahead and drop that in. You want that to melt down.
Okay, now it's time to add in the ginger.
And the garlic.
Okay, let's do it.
Drop that on in.
And we're going to give that a quick mix until it started to fragrance a little.
There we go. Smelling good already.
Oh
right?
yeah, oh yeah. What's next? Now we're going to add in a little bit of soy sauce.
And I got the oyster sauce.
Let's do it.
Tag teaming this thing for real.
Yeah. I love oyster sauce, especially honey garlic and honey garlic. It's so good. There you go.
Let me do the honey for you.
The honey is.
Drop in some honey.
It's going to make it nice and sweet.
Yeah,
You know?
nice and ooey gooey.
Mix it up together.
And to add a little bit of kick, we got some red pepper flakes. We got that going in as well.
Balance the honey.
Yeah,
so.
balance the sweetness with a little bit of heat.
And if you don't like it to be spicy, you can just leave it out.
Exactly.
Give it a little mix.
You want this to come up to a simmer. We're gonna reintroduce that chicken and get it nice and saucy, get all these flavors talking to each other. Go ahead and dump that in, come on.
It looks good.
Oh my goodness. Yes, yes, yes.
And that chicken has a lot of sauce. It produces a lot of sauce, which
there we go.
is going to add tons of flavor to the honey garlic. Oh, it smells so good.
You want to toss it in that sauce just like so. You're going to let it simmer for about, let's say, a minute or two. It doesn't need much, you know what I'm saying? You just want it to get nice and sticky and get all those flavors talking.
My mouth is literally watering. Like,
let me
I'm
get you
so
a napkin.
hungry. I'm so hungry. Y'all don't know how hungry I am right now. Also, we do have this to garnish. It's a little bit of green onion. Just to garnish. Oh, should I place it here? There you go. Should we add some?
Yeah, you can add
a little
some.
bit? Okay. Just a little bit of that.
A little bit of green
Beautiful.
onion. Wow, wow, wow.
And you see how thickened the sauce is getting?
Woo.
Yes.
Smells so good.
Yeah, at this point, I think we can turn it off.
Yeah, and we can plate up, right?
Oh, yeah.
Plate up and buzz down.
Let's do it.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are looking good, smelling good, and I cannot wait to dig into this one.
So good.
I know, right? Nice and sticky and ooey gooey, like I said, jam-packed with so much flavor, right?
The aroma in here is like, that's what's making me hungry. Let's give it a try.
Let's do it.
Okay, let's try it. Cheers.
Cheers.
This is good.
Smacking.
That kick is very subtle, but it's like perfectly balanced.
That is so good. That's like.
That is really good.
That is so freaking good. You guys definitely got to get in the kitchen and whip this one up.
Definitely give this a try.
Yeah, it takes no time, takes no effort, but this right here is so flavorful, man. Oh my goodness.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy it.
Yep.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Island Vibe Cooking.
Gotta mention it.
Absolutely. Subscribe to my channel as well if you haven't already.
Give this video a thumbs up.
Yeah, to make sure YouTube knows you're loving the content.
Comment down below.
Let me know what you think about today's video, as well as if you want to see her back for what?
Third time. I would love to be back here.
Fourth time. I feel like you've been,
we've been
here on an old video or something
but
like
recently.
that. Yeah, absolutely. So like we were saying, thank you all for watching today's video. We'll be sure to see you all on the next one, and I'm sure Miss Island Vibe Cooking will be back shortly.
I'll be back.
Yep.
You just got to comment, let him know.
Absolutely.
And then I'm here.
Absolutely. We'll see you on the next one. Deuces.
Bye.
I'm out.